I don't know what it is about spring, but it just always gets me in the mood to detox and refresh my body. God, get your head out of the gutter. Yeah, we're getting juicy today, you guys, with 3 very beginner-friendly juice recipes that I think will leave you feeling really nice. Juicing is just such a tasty way to get a whole bunch of nutrients into a small, compact, delicious little glass. And so today I've got 3 very approachable recipes that will give you a wide variety of nutrients that, quite frankly, I think we could all use more of. Whether you're looking to improve your skin health, immunity, gut health, or boost hydration, these 3 juices are gonna be a really great jumping off point to get you sipping this week, baby. So make sure you subscribe below if you love healthy recipes like the ones I'm about to show you today. I love teaching people how to cook plant-based. I'd love to have you join the fam. Let's get into these juices. First recipe, here we go. It's my strawberry cucumber citrus refresher, and refreshing it is. It's like spring, summer vibes in a glass. Why do we love it? Here's the deets. It's anti-inflammatory thanks to the strawberries. When they have color, like red, those are called anthocyanins, which are antioxidants and really good for you. Hashtag science. Speaking of strawberries, they have some fiber in them, and so do apples. Fiber is good for the gut, which we love. We got a ton of vitamin C from the lemon as well as the strawberries, and this juice is very hydrating as well. I don't know why I can't say juice anymore. Thanks to the cucumber, which is 95% water. Your skin will love it. Let's get into this juice right now, yeah? So for the lemon, cut off all the skin, and if you can, try to remove as many seeds as possible, because seeds and juicers do not mix very well. It'll really grind its gears, if you know what I mean. We're gonna cut off the tops of the strawberries, but save them because you can make strawberry vinegar. For the apples, there's no need to peel your apples if you have washed them thoroughly or if they're organic, even better. But I like to chop them into like 1 to 2 inch chunks. My juicer is a beast, so I can get away with relatively huge chunks. And then for the cucumber, mine's not organic, and I also don't like juicing cucumbers with the skin on, so I always peel my skins on the cucumber because they're mostly just waxy and have no juice in them. Anyway, beautiful, just like you. All right, time to
grab the old juicer.
And now, we open the hopper and add all of the things. It's that easy. Let's go, baby. Oh man, that's so good. Like I said, it's like strawberry lemonade. This is so refreshing, and honestly, it's such a great way to drink more water without actually drinking water. The strawberries and the apples bring all the natural sweetness, so there's no need to add any other sweeteners whatsoever. As you can also see, this one's a bit pulpy, and that's thanks to the pectin and the fiber from the strawberries and apples. You can choose to strain it out if you want over a mesh sieve, but if you keep the fiber, it's good for your gut. Overall, I would say this one is such a great starter juice, especially if you're new to juicing. Just 4 ingredients, you guys. Cheers. Let's move on to recipe number 2, and that is my Green Glow Mojito juice. Like how I rhymed there? Yeah, this one is, oh my gosh, again, super refreshing, but this is like my go-to one when I just want to feel glowy. It's good for the skin, it's super hydrating. We've got cucumber, spinach, mint leaves, all filled with antioxidants and chlorophyll, that good green stuff. This one is also a vitamin C powerhouse thanks to kiwi and lime, which also make this super tangy and delicious. We've got a hefty dose of fresh mint, which also can help reduce bloating and ease digestive discomfort. Overall, this juice is just so nourishing and tasty, and I love it. And it also kind of tastes like a mojito. And this is not celery. This here is fennel, and actually this is leftover fennel from my fennel salad recipe, which you guys should check out right here after you're finished watching this video. Fennel has a really delightful, mild sort of licoricey taste and smell, and it's also super hydrating and really good for your gut. Prepping the fruits and veggies, super simple. When it comes to the mint, remove the stems because they're hard to process in a juicer. Peel your cucumber and your kiwi and your lime, chop everything up, and you're pretty much golden, or green in this case. Et voila! Y'all, this is a green juice. Oh. Wow. You guys, this literally tastes like a spa drink. You know, like they're refreshing, like minty, cucumber, mocktail, mojito things they give you at a spa. That's this thing right here. Oh my God. Wow, I just wanna like chug this whole thing right now. All right, y'all, we got one juice recipe left, and that is my ginger beet Energizer juice. Oh my gosh, yay beets. Love these. They add so many good healthful nutrients and antioxidants. Those anthocyanins, they be good for you. Beets are also great for cardiovascular health as they can help improve circulation and blood flow, making them really good for a pre-workout drink to help improve cardiovascular endurance when you exercise. Science. Carrots. We love vitamin A, aka beta carotene, good for your eyes and skin. Lemons for vitamin C and a nice tangy zip. And you may have noticed, again, I've got apples in this recipe. I pretty much add apples to all my juices because they really help to bulk up any juice because they're super full of water and they add a really nice natural sweetness. And lastly, we got some ginger for a really nice fiery, spicy kick. You can really use as much or as little as you want. I go heavy-handed on the ginger because I love it and it's good for your gut. Veggie prep here is pretty straightforward. When it comes to carrots, you can really wash off pretty much all the dirt from carrots, so I don't even bother peeling them because the skins have a lot of nutrients in them. However, beets kind of have this like perma-layer of dirt no matter how much you scrub the heck out of them, so I always peel them. Oh God, what have I done? Ah! Just kidding. It's the beets. I got you, didn't I? I got you so good. I think you know the drill now. Ooh, that is good. Wow, wow, wow. If you don't like beets, seriously try this because it's not too earthy, really. Like the carrot and the apple really mellow the beet flavor out, and they have a lot of natural sweetness in them too, including the beets. This is a deceivingly sweet juice, and overall, this is just so refreshing. Wow, wow, wow. If you are a beet lover, this one might be your favorite of the three. Thanks for hanging out with me again today in another video. I love you guys so much. Thanks again for also subscribing to my channel below and liking this video while you're at it. If you want some more funky fresh recipes, I just posted my fennel salad recipe right here. Perfect for spring. It is delicious, just like you. I'm gonna go chug this juice and I'll see you in another video real soon. Ta-ta! It ain't my fault that I'm out here getting loose. Gotta blame it on the goose. Gotta blame it on my juice, baby.